Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Greyt employee account. Greyt ASER is a useful tool for effectively managing employee data, payrolls, income tax declarations, and attendance management, among other features. To log into your Greyt ASER account, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Greyt ASER Employee Login. You can see the interface here as a result and click on the first one, Greyt ASER Login, or you guys can type in www.grar.com. It will take you to the login page of Greyt. Over here, it says, Login to Greyt ASER. Find out the Greyt URL for your company here. Type your official email or phone number you had used for registering to Greyt and click on I'm not a robot and click on search. It will search your email address and redirect to the page where you can access your Greyt account. So, that's how you can log in to your Greyt employee account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.